1001 horsepower, 350 km/h. Only 499 will ever exist. Meet the Nuvolari. This is Audi's first supercar. Not a performance sedan, not a hot hatchback. A full-blooded, mid-engine, hybrid-powered supercar. And it is unlike anything the Four Rings have ever produced. Named after Tazio Nuvolari, the fearless Italian racing legend who terrorized circuits in the 1930s behind the wheel of an auto union, this car carries one of motorsport's most mythological names. Audi chairman Gernot Döllner put it plainly, with the Audi Nuvolari, we are accelerating technological progress. Deliveries of the 499-unit limited run begin in the first half of 2027. And if you're not already on the list, you're watching history from the outside. Let's start with what's under the skin. The Nuvolari runs a high-performance hybrid powertrain producing a maximum system output of 1001 PS, 736 kilowatts. At its core is a 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine delivering 800 horsepower, spinning all the way to 10,000 RPM, a number previously reserved for motorsport. 3 axial flux electric motors complete the system. 2 at the front axle, 1 between the V8 and the transmission. Together they push the Nuvolari from 0 to 100 km/h in 2.6 seconds. 0 to 200 in 6.8 seconds. Top speed, more than 350 km/h. Those aren't estimates, those are facts. Power means nothing without control. And Audi knows that better than almost anyone. That's where the Quattro predictive ride comes in. This is the next generation of Audi's legendary all-wheel drive system. It doesn't just react to a loss of grip. It anticipates one, using a highly precise vehicle state model fed by steering angle, yaw rate, acceleration, and real-time grip data. The system proactively distributes torque in both longitudinal and lateral directions, adjusts aerodynamic downforce, and applies targeted brake interventions, all before the driver even feels a thing. The electric motors at the front axle enable variable torque vectoring, making the Nuvolari as precise in a corner as it is explosive on a straight. 4 driving modes shape the experience. E-hybrid for electric-only urban driving, balanced for everyday use, dynamic for sharper response, and dynamic plus for an all-out emotional assault. For track use, a dedicated track mode allows fine-tuning of traction control from wet all the way to TC off. The aerodynamics are straight out of Formula One. A vented S-duct at the front improves efficiency and reduces lift at high speed. The centerpiece is a deployable adaptive rear wing with 3 configurations: closed, low downforce, and high downforce. In HD mode, the Nuvolari generates more than 400 kilograms of downforce. And there is a DRS button on the steering wheel. Yes, exactly like an F1 car, that can flatten the wing further on straights to chase that 350 plus km/h top speed. The structure itself is a first for Audi, the Audi space frame combined with a full carbon exterior. Almost every body panel is carbon fiber reinforced polymer produced using pre-preg autoclave technology developed with Formula One expertise. The result is extreme rigidity at minimal weight. The braking system matches the performance. Audi ceramic Pro discs, 420 millimeters up front with 10 piston calipers, paired with a brake-by-wire system capable of absorbing up to 2.8 megawatts of energy. That is on par with a current Formula One car. At the rear, 4 piston calipers clamp 410 by 32 millimeter discs with enhanced internal cooling for stability and consistency. Inside, everything focuses on driving. A reduced, driver-centric layout puts essentials in view. Relevant information is prioritized, while secondary content stays in the background. Color accents nod to the Auto Union Type C era of record-breaking speed. Lightweight carbon seats deliver rigidity and precise lateral support with an ergonomic, natural seating position. Outside, the new signature color titanium meets carbon elements to highlight taut, precise lines. The mid-engine layout defines a monolithic volume, a powerful stance, and a strong presence. Forged center-lock wheels make their production debut for Audi. It distills Audi's design evolution into something visceral and immediate. 1001 PS. Over 350 kilometers per hour, 2.6 to 100. Limited to 499. Deliveries begin in 2027. This is Nuvolari, Audi's first true supercar, built by a team obsessed with precision, innovation, and execution. Vorsprung durch Technik.